game, and he's doing well.
Murray fires, pass is caught, and now down the sideline. Look out. Isabella, the rookie, gets a block and goes in for the touchdown. There are no flags. 88 yards, and the Cardinals are back in it. And 88 yards for Andy Isabella.
Well, they're in man coverage, and Andy Isabella can really run. This guy, he's able to get across the field. Emmanuel Mosley, he tries undercutting this ball and just perfectly placed. If that ball's not at the height that it
is. 3rd down and 6. Ryan deep downfield, and it is Ridley for the catch and the touchdown.
On the outside with these safeties, and you're going to see they're just going to start creeping up here on the tail end of this thing. And by the time that Ridley gets
takes a swing out and goes deep, caught inside the 5 and into the end zone goes the tight end Mark Andrews for a 27-yard touchdown reception.
Tells you man-to-man coverage.
Allen taking a shot, caught, touchdown, John Brown.
Allen 6 for 6 for 73 yards on that drive. Capped off by the touchdown, and now to try to make it a 3-point. Juked by McCaffrey, and now 1st and goal from the 5. Give to McCaffrey. Trying to get around the right side. He does. McCaffrey leaps. End zone. Oh, touchdown. Up and in. To McCaffrey.
Great play design by North Turner. We take a look at the all-22 later to see he spreads them out. You don't have to block everybody. You just have to remove them. And then at the last minute,
love the process of trying to come up with ways within his scheme in order to move the football and win games, and they've been able to find ways to do it. It's been a collective effort, and has been here today.
Cordero Patterson with some running room, and look out, the big fella's across the 50. He's inside the 30, breaks a tackle to the 10. Patterson goes the distance, 102 yards. This time it's the Bears who deliver.
Yeah, you got to find ways to come up with points somewhere, and this time it's Cordero Patterson. Marcus Williams was the first guy who had an opportunity to make a play on him, and he is not able to, and then after that, it's all Cordero Patterson. And these are the types of plays that you have to have when you're going up against great defenses. The Saints were able to get the blocked punt that set up 2 points for them, and then the takeaway recently.
The offensive line has been outstanding. John Jerry's been outstanding, stepping in for Andre Smith.
They're looking down the field for the home run ball. It's Boyd, and it is a touchdown to Tyler Boyd. Chubb has it. Nick Chubb for the corner, touchdown Browns. Opening drive, and he finishes it.
Elliott gets in on the fun. Touchdown, Dallas. And let's make sure if he got the ball across before the knee touchdown. What a drive. Another long one by these Cowboys after getting a defensive stop on 4th down.
1st and 10, Lindsay in the backfield. And going deep, Sutton. Oh, he got it! What a catch! Touchdown, Denver! Dad is happy his son has just thrown his first NFL touchdown.
You know what more Denzel Ward can do, Ken? He's in great position. He turns, he locates the football. The problem is, he's got a former basketball player playing.
It's Johnson in motion now, comes back in the backfield on a 3rd and 4.
Stafford looks right, not there, now over the middle. That's there! It's a touchdown to the rookie Hawkinson.
Party till we die!
Allows Matthew Stafford to step in. Look at that clear vision. Perfect sight lines right through the track.
Broncos jump. Free play for Rodgers. He knows where to go with it. For Valdez Scantling. In the end zone. It's a Packer touchdown.
Rodgers, hard count, gets the movement, has the free play. Everybody knows.
Defense number 58. That penalty is declined. The result of the play is a touchdown.
Everybody knows what's coming next. It's a shot down the field.
And defensive players always talk about Rodgers will get you. We have to watch the ball, not go by his cadences.
3rd down and 5 as Watson sets and now throws. It's Fuller! Will Fuller into the end zone. His 3rd touchdown today. Wow, Will Fuller. Wow. Just a great, and I mean a great improvised route.
Naheem Hines goes in motion. Brissett fakes it to him. Now looking for a wide open target. Touchdown, Zach Pascal. Busted coverage by the Falcons. And the Colts take a 9-0 lead.
You've got to have good eyes if you're playing on defense, and if you're watching this guy come here, you're thinking, that's where the ball's going to go. Not so fast, my friend. A nice job. Mendez Pascal up there. He faked a little block.
First career interception for Herndon, who made this team as an undrafted rookie last season. 2nd year in the league. Here is Minshew escaping somehow the sack. Throws on the run wide open. Jacksonville, it's Chris Conley breaking free, and he is in for the touchdown.
Well, here it is. Conley is running the crossing route, but once Minshew breaks the pocket, all of the Jets are going to come and collapse on Minshew. An incredible job by Minshew keeping his eyes down the field. Now the Jets drop coverage, and there's no safety.
3rd down and 18. Mahomes flushed out again, all the way back. Turning the corner, fires downfield, caught, touchdown. Only Mahomes. Byron Pringle. Into a 27-yard touchdown.
Stop it. Stop it. You can't do this. You can't escape. You can't make these plays. You can't make these throws. Patrick Mahomes, just stop it. We haven't seen this. I mean, we've seen Brett Favre. We've seen Aaron Rodgers. We've seen John Elway.
Understand their subtleness of what coach is teaching them, and it's going to play out that way as the season goes on.
Wadman. He hit the ground looking for a flag. There is none. Run back. And it's a good one by King. He broke one last year against Pittsburgh. And he's going to go the distance. Desmond King, however, a marker is down all the way back at the 40.
See what he's looking at. That right there is just,
And again, I didn't see anything that was better than the flag.
yeah, that's the thing when you're watching that. Someone's ripped down, blocking the back, you see something just out of the corner of your eye distinctly, and
On 3rd and 9. Winston has all day, and it's intercepted. The Rams with their first takeaway. Marcus Peters running the other way. Peters into the end zone. Touchdown Rams! Washington's had a fumble return for a touchdown.
Yeah. And that's one of, Jameis talked to us, the other day about matchups and where to go with the football. And that's Bobo Wilson. He's in there. You've talked about the injuries to Brashad Perriman.
First down at the 35 of the Raiders. Play fake and on the rollout. Cousins looking and
Wide open is Thielen, and he'll score for the Vikings on the opening possession.
Thielen on the outside. He's going to come out here, and then you're going to see him get over the top of this thing on the boot keeps. He sells the corner out again. Now it's just a throwback. That's a designed throwback as something Kirk Cousins could.
In some unique ways that have allowed them to be the #1 defense in football.
This one's blocked. Out of the air, into the end zone for the touchdown. It's the rookie, Winovich. Staring at the end zone. There's Stupar, who gets hit in the back and off the helmet with Bolden right in his face.
Bolden pushes Stupar. Stupar doesn't go attack it. The ball hits him in the back, and hello Winovich, who has been a bit.
Open for the end zone. Michael Thomas. It's a Saints touchdown. Keep the feet in and get the ball across. There was a little delay, but ruled a touchdown. Second down, play fake to Thompson. And across the middle, and it's intercepted by Jabril Peppers. He will go to the end zone.
Well, the guy that plays Landon Collins is Jabril Peppers. There's no separation created by Sprinkle. Peppers is in perfect position to undercut life.
Fake to Belt, go deep. Anderson's out there. This is going to go the distance. 92 yards. Darnold to Anderson. Incredible. This is so big play to speak of all season. And do they break free with one at last?
Robbie Anderson has been open all year. It's just been hard to get him the ball. Here he is, the double move on 24 Awuzie, and watch Sam Darnold slide up, throw this ball away from Jeff Heath, the safety, by a foot or a yard there, and you see how explosive Robbie Anderson is.
Here's Carr, Broncos rush 4, some pressure, Simpson in there, and it's caught. It's Tyrell Williams, and the Raiders strike first.
Fourth down and 1. Falk the fake. Here comes the rush, and it's picked off on the play. Coming through, Nathan Geary. It's a pick six.
Elected to enforce that 15-yard penalty on the kickoff.
He's watching the eyes of the quarterback the entire way, and Luke Falk never feels the backside linebacker. That's just too easy.
But the speed is there. A two-time state.
On the injured reserve, so they're down 2 tight ends, and they make the trade for Nick. 3rd and 2. Rudolph. How about it? James Conner. Touchdown Steelers.
Yeah, it's a sprint out there, and you see Mason Rudolph, and I think right here, he wants to throw this football here. It's not there. He continues, sees James Conner. Now Bennett turns into a
football. Now they're undefeated. It's in there in October. And he's got this running game working, as you see, with Matt Breida. And look at the speed on Breida. What a way to start it. 83-yard touchdown.
Let's watch number 44, Kyle Juszczyk, and number 85, George Kittle. It's a zone play. Watch him come back. You have a seal here, and with the speed of Matt Breida, one-on-one with the safety, but that's all set up by the zone blocking. Kyle Shanahan told us everything we do starts with the outside.
On first down, Wilson keeps. Surveys, nowhere to go, and back in the end zone. Touchdown! What a catch by Tyler Lockett. Let's take a look. Catch, feet.
That is unbelievable. If you'd have told me that his feet were in play, I'd have said there is no way that this ball's caught with his feet in the field of play. I mean, there was great coverage. I don't even know how Russell Wilson thought he could fit that ball in there, but sure enough, he's got possession, both feet clearly in the end zone. It was
going to find some running room in that stretch game.
Second down and 19 following the penalty. Garoppolo to the outside. It is picked off and taken back for a touchdown. Vernon Hargraves picks off Garoppolo and scores the Bucs' first touchdown of the season.
In the flat, and if you're a DB, look at all that quarterback vision. You know exactly that ball's coming there. It's a long yardage situation. The ball's probably going to come out quick. All you got to do is catch it, and the good ones score with it. Vernon Hargraves.
Eighth play of the drive. Tannehill hooks a pass. Touchdown! He hummed it in there to Corey Davis. And flags on the play. 8 plays, 86 yards, capped off by this fastball from Ryan Tannehill.
180!
Second and 8, the give coming around this side is Steven Sims, and Sims still on the loose and down the sideline. Steven Sims going to go all the way to the end zone. No flags.
Well, that's the burst of energy that the Washington Redskins needed. They had no existence of a running game so far this season or in this game. Sweep around to the outside. Incredible burst of speed. Normally a very sure tackling defense with the New England